Hello and welcome to an episode of Creation Studio Grab and Go. This is your opportunity to come to the Bettendorf Public Library and pick up a bag full of supplies to make a fun craft. For the month of January, we are going to be making modeling clay snowmen. I have my grab and go bag right here. Let's see what's inside. First of all, I have 2 packets of Crayola Model Magic modeling clay. I also have a baggie, and inside of it you will find 1 small orange pipe cleaner, 1 longer striped pipe cleaner, 3 black pom-poms, and 2 mini pom-poms of a different color. You will also find 2 wooden toothpicks. You'll also see the bag comes with written instructions as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up both of our packets of Model Magic clay, and we're going to combine them together. Then we're going to separate the modeling clay into 3 sections. Each section is going to be smaller than the last. So you're going to have 1 big piece, 1 medium-sized piece, and 1 small piece. And then you can roll these pieces of modeling clay into 3 spheres or balls. You can use your hands or you can use the table, whatever works best for you. Then we're going to place 1 sphere on top of the other, with the largest at the bottom and the smallest at the top, just like you'd make a snowman. Next, we're going to decorate our snowman. He needs a few things, right? So the first thing we're going to do is add some eyes. So we need to find 2 very small pom-poms. They might be in a different color than what I have, but those are going to be your eyes. And all you need to do is stick them in the top sphere, the head of the snowman, and you have 2 eyes. Next, we're going to take this piece of orange pipe cleaner, and then we're going to bend it in half, and then we're going to stick it into the head of the snowman just below the eyes, and we want the pokey part where the wire is to be on the inside. So the soft part is on the outside. And to make arms, we're going to use the toothpicks. So we're going to stick 1 on each side of the snowman in the middle or the medium size sphere. Then we're going to add the 3 larger pom-poms down the front of our snowman to make it look like he has buttons. Last of all, we're going to get that striped pipe cleaner out. We're going to twist it around what would be the snowman's neck. So between the smallest sphere and the medium sphere would be where his neck is. We're going to twist it around his neck and kind of place the twist off to the side. And you can kind of shape the scarf however you'd like to make it look like it's kind of flowing. And once you're done with that, you have a beautiful snowman. If you leave the Model Magic clay out, it will dry out on its own. So if you would like to keep your snowman just the way he is, he won't melt, but he will dry out, and then you'll have a more solid snowman. If you'd like to, though, keep your Model Magic clay and make something else, you're going to have to put it in an airtight container so that it doesn't dry out. We hope you enjoy making your own modeling clay snowman this month. We have 250 grab and go bags available in the youth area, and we will give them out until we run out. So get yours while supplies last. Next month, we will be making beaded binary code Valentines. Until then, bye!